How to track your order on the Shop app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Shop app on your mobile device. Once you open the application, you can go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Inside your profile section, go ahead and simply tap on Settings right over here. Inside Settings, you simply want to go ahead and tap on Connections. And now from there, you can go ahead and connect your email accounts like Gmail or Outlook or your Amazon account. Once connected, the app will automatically import your orders and tracking info. No need to enter anything manually. And just like that, your deliveries will now appear in the app with real-time tracking. No manual tracking numbers are needed if the email is synced. And then you can stay notified with shipping updates right inside the app. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.